Good morning, how are you guys today? So yesterday we had a red day at the market. It happened, we're gonna have so much volatility that we're gonna have some green days and some red days. Just be glad that we had few green days. And you guys see the EV market? Oh God. So in this video I'm gonna talk about two stocks. I'm gonna talk about Tesla and NIO. And I'm gonna give my prediction. So watch all the way to the end so you hear what's my prediction for NIO and Tesla, okay? Run the intro. Welcome back to Crypto and Stocks. A pleasure to have you guys here again. And it's so excited today to put another video out. I know I haven't put much videos out, but my main job as a nurse has been crazy, so I apologize about that. I'm gonna try to be more on top of my videos. And if it's your first time watching this channel, please go ahead, subscribe to the channel. And if you don't mind and you like the content, hey, go ahead, smash the like button and share with friends. And don't forget to put a comment down, okay? No more delays. Let's talk about the stock market. Let's first talk about the overall. Let's see how the index are doing, okay? Okay, let's see how's the pre-market. The index open. Are we green or red? We closed the day on the red. So let's see now. S&P 500. The price is the share is $4,469. Is 0.49% up. Not bad at all. Dow Jones is $34,368. Is 0.34% up. So those basically flat. If it's around 0.5%, I always consider flat. Nasdaq for the pre-market $14,530, and that's 0.58% on the pre-market. And Russell 2000 is $2,057. That's 0.50% up in the pre-market. So the pre-market is pretty green, so that's good. Now let's talk about the two stocks that got so much hype the last few days. One is Tesla, one is NIO. Let's start with NIO. Let's leave Tesla for the last one. NIO stock price is $21.87. That's how it closed yesterday. So it did went a little bit up, like not even a 1%, 0.46%, but it is green. Anytime it goes a little bit up, that's great. During the day, it did went all the way up to $22.53. But after like noon, both the NIO and Tesla, they drop. And the NIO actually went under during the day, like around 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock. But it rallied back in the end of the day and got the 0.46% up. That's 10 cents from the start yesterday. Not bad. And the futures right now is saying that NIO starting not the futures, the pre-market. NIO is 1% up, 23 cents up. I don't really care too much about the futures or the pre-market because there's so much that can go on during the day. And the NIO has a really important day. They are going to report their earnings. Let's hope that these earnings are great. It's estimated to be good, so let's see if we can continue with this tailwind and the stock can keep coming up and go back to the $24 or hopefully to the $30. Let's see what the analysts predict on NIO. There's a 13 analysts and it is a strong buy. Look at this, strong buy. The price per share consensus is $48.59. It's 122% up. So right now the price per share is $21.87. Can you imagine go to 48 in the next 12 months? I'll be so glad. Some bullish analysts believe they can go all the way up to $87. I do think it's going to be a little hard. It will all depend on the sales and the projections. And some bearish analysts believe that's going to be at $30. And I'm okay with the bearish analysts. I said that in past videos. The price right now is $21.87. If we can go to $30, hey, there's no complaints on that, okay? But that's it. So NIO is waiting for, after the market close, they're going to report their earnings. Let's cross our fingers that it would be great and with a great future expectations for this stock. Let's talk now about Tesla. Tesla been doing so great. Look at this. It closed yesterday as $999.11. It was up 0.52%. During the day, it did break the $1,000 mark, and as well on the pre-market is breaking the $1,000 mark. The pre-market is $1,009.2325. It's another 1% up. Let's see if they can hold. Do I believe that Tesla will break that $1,000 today? I like, in my head, I have no doubt. I'm not a financial advisor and I might not know what I'm talking about, but I think Tesla will break that $1,000 today and will hold. Not by much. Maybe gonna be about this $1,010, but I'll talk my prediction in a little bit. So Tesla has been doing great since like for the past few weeks, and as well they just opened the Berlin factory. They produce like 30 cars just for the opening. Some news say that they are not fully operating, and they're being bearish and talking bad about Tesla. I think Tesla is a great company, has great fundamentals, and that's why I invest in Tesla. And even at $1,000, I'm still going to continue buying Tesla. And what I believe is that, you know, the factory is not fully operating, like 100% finished, but you know, it's already good enough to produce some cars. And that's with few months down the road, they're going to be 100% finished, and everything's going to be working there perfectly. And that factory can produce another, if I'm not wrong, 500,000 cars. So 500,000 cars can come out of that factory. That's going to help distribute to Europe, because right now Shanghai factory is mostly distributing their cars to Europe, and with another factory in Berlin, it will help to manage the request, because there's a little backed up on the production. So there's a lot of orders, but the cars takes a little longer to be done. That's what I believed. So let's see what the analysts believe about Tesla, or thinking about Tesla. Tesla is a moderate buy. There's 27 analysts looking this stock. The price consensus is $1,062.40, is only 6% up. I think this price is wrong. I think in the next 12 months we'll pass this price, and I'm gonna tell my prediction in a few minutes. Some bullish analysts believe the stock can go to $1,580 in the next 12 months, and some bearish analysts believe the stock will go down to $313. I talked about that before. There's no way in hell that Tesla is gonna drop that much. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I really doubt the Tesla stock is gonna drop that much. Now my prediction for these two stocks. NIO is gonna be by December, if everything continue. Of course, if some geopolitical situation happens, or others like the government of China like change their mind, this can affect the stock for NIO. But if nothing happens, continue the way it is, you know, Russia still have their situation, but the government support NIO. I think the NIO stock is gonna hit the $45 by the end of the year. And Tesla, I have no doubt that's gonna be anywhere between $1,150, $1,150 to $1,250 is $1,250. Those are my predictions. Hey, if you do not agree with me, put it down in the comment. And if you watched so far and like the content, please smash the like button. And if you have not done yet, go ahead and subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day. And that's it for today.